February 25th, 2026. Winter storm, aftermath, and aviation impacts today. Today, we continue to manage widespread winter weather impacts across the Northeast into the Midwest with persistent snow-covered surfaces, sub-VFR ceilings, and visibility issues around major hubs still digging out from the February blizzard. At the same time, a cold frontal wave and upstream disturbance are yielding isolated high-based convection in parts of the central high plains with a marginal gust threat. Across the northeast from New England, down through the Arstani 95 corridor, residual snowpack, coatings of light new snow in places, and strong low-level winds are maintaining complicated ground operations with reduced braking action. Gusty surface winds aloft for JFK, EWR, BOS, and PHL and IFR/MVFR, conditions lingering in snow showers and flurries. Into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, the remnants of the disturbed flow continue to support lake-effect clouds and localized bands of snow that are keeping ceilings low and visibility reduced through much of the day, compounding deicing demand and pushing freezing levels near surface at times. In the central high plains, a sharpening shortwave trough and advancing cold front are destabilizing the boundary layer late this afternoon, supporting isolated high-based thunderstorms with strong westerly winds aloft, and a marginal severe risk that could yield occasional gusts into terminal airspace, particularly over KS and western MO. Elsewhere across the plains and Rockies, generally dry, cool air with enhanced northwesterly flow aloft is producing moderate turbulence potential on descent/approach into DEN, ICT, and other central hubs, with strong momentum transport downwind of terrain features. Out west, broad high pressure is maintaining dry, stable conditions with light winds and VFR ceilings, but enhanced gradient-driven gustiness in the Great Basin and parts of the Intermountain West midday. Fire weather concerns remain elevated where relative humidity is low and winds are gusty. Across the southeast and Gulf Coast, a broad warm sector persists with mostly VFR conditions but low-level moisture and clouds, keeping ceilings marginal around FL and GA terminals this morning. While moisture return ahead of the next southern stream disturbance may begin to enhance cloudiness late day. No tropical systems are present in Atlantic or Pacific basins, so no tropical hazards are expected today. Winds aloft from the Pacific trough into the northern CONUS are underpinning a highly amplified pattern with the jet stream splitting and reinforcing the persistent cold in the east and dry stable west. So pilots should expect continued winter operational challenges around Northeast and Great Lakes hubs today with lingering low ceilings, reduced visibility, slippery surfaces, and occasional turbulence as major synoptic flow evolves.